Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll be taking you through the Komodo website. As you know, the Komodo blockchain we provide security, freedom and independence to all people through its blockchain technology to create a decentralized world. You can click this button to get wallets. One-stop blockchain solutions. End-to-end blockchain solutions provider empowering developers to build freely and participate in creating the largest open blockchain network. Step 1. Build and secure your own independent blockchain. Step 2. Co-fund and launch your own high-performing DICO. Step 3. Integrate and exchange with the entire blockchain industry. You can click this button to create your own blockchain. So I'm going to end the video right here. You can subscribe to my channel, leave a like, don't forget to go to the Weird Coins website to find more information about Bitcoin.